Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the two words for today. Number one, are you a? Correct. Very good. Number two, we have 2 Fridays. What's the difference? That's right. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. They are students. They are students. Students. Students are people that go to school in order to learn. They are students. Now change it to a question. Are they students? Now please answer yes. Yes, they are. Now let's make a flashcard for student and remember it forever. Please make a card like this. Write student up here in the top left corner. STU DENT. Down here, PEO 1. This means people, level 1. And over here the number 65 out of 78. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Stew. Dent. Student. Number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer will play pool next Tuesday. Jennifer will play pool next Tuesday. Next. She will play pool next Tuesday. This means the first Tuesday in the future. Jennifer will play pool next Tuesday. Now change it to the past tense. Change it to last Tuesday. Jennifer played pool last Tuesday. We use for past tense. Now let's make a flashcard for next. Please make a flashcard like this. Write next up here in the top left corner, NEXT. For example, next Monday. We use this for future. Down here, GW1. This means grammar, word, level 1. Over here, the number 71 out of 135. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Next. Next. Game over. You did very well today. Number 1, are you a student? Very good. And in the past, last Friday. Future, next Friday. Very good. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words. Number 1, notebook for writing. Very good. Number 2, opposites. I can help you. Tight and loose. That's right. And number 3, what does Bob wear every day? Glasses. Correct. Today is Monday, October 13th. Show number 238. Please write your language on the other side of the card. How do you say student in your language? Correct. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.